The future of driving in 2026 is poised for groundbreaking changes, largely driven by advancements in technology and a shift towards sustainability. One of the most significant trends is the continued rise of electric vehicles, EVs, with manufacturers ramping up production to meet global climate goals. By 2026, EVs are expected to dominate the market, with improved battery technology offering longer ranges and faster charging times. Furthermore, the development of autonomous driving technology will likely take a giant leap forward, bringing self-driving cars closer to reality, although full autonomy may still be a work in progress. In addition to electrification and automation, in-car connectivity will redefine the driving experience. Vehicles will become even more integrated with smart technologies, offering advanced infotainment systems, real-time navigation updates, and seamless communication with other smart devices. Augmented reality, AR dashboards and heads-up displays will provide drivers with important information directly in their line of sight. Additionally, sustainable and eco-friendly materials will become standard in car interiors, further supporting the environmental goals of the automotive industry. The convergence of these innovations will not only improve the way cars are driven, but also how they are built, used, and maintained in the coming years. The rise of electric vehicles, EVs, is one of the most significant trends in the automotive industry today. In recent years, the adoption of EVs has surged as more consumers embrace the environmental and cost-saving benefits of driving electric. This shift is disrupting the automotive landscape, as traditional automakers are pivoting their production strategies to include more electric options. At the same time, new entrants, particularly tech-focused companies, are entering the market, developing innovative designs and leveraging software and autonomous driving capabilities. As a result, the competitive dynamics within the automotive sector are rapidly evolving, with a growing emphasis on sustainability, energy efficiency, and clean technologies. The increased focus on EVs has also driven changes in supply chains and manufacturing processes, as automakers invest in electric drivetrains and shift away from internal combustion engines. A key factor behind the rise of EVs is the major advancements in battery technology, which have significantly improved the performance and affordability of electric vehicles. Over the past decade, innovations in battery chemistry and energy density have increased the range of EVs, allowing them to compete more effectively with traditional vehicles in terms of driving distance. Technologies like solid-state batteries and lithium-sulfur batteries promise even greater energy storage capacity, faster charging times, and enhanced safety features. These breakthroughs have helped reduce the overall cost of EVs, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers. Furthermore, improvements in battery manufacturing processes are driving down production costs, which, combined with the growing demand for EVs, is expected to make electric cars more affordable in the coming years. Government incentives and policies have also played a crucial role in driving the adoption of electric vehicles. Many governments worldwide offer various incentives, such as tax credits, rebates, and subsidies, to lower the upfront cost of EVs. These incentives have made electric cars more attractive to consumers, especially as prices for EVs have historically been higher than those for traditional vehicles. In addition, regulations that impose stricter emission standards and push for carbon neutrality are accelerating the shift away from internal combustion engine vehicles. The European Union, for example, has set ambitious targets to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, while countries like China and the United States are providing financial incentives to consumers and automakers to adopt electric vehicles. The expansion of charging infrastructure is another critical factor fueling the rise of EVs. As more consumers consider switching to electric vehicles, the availability of convenient and reliable charging stations has become essential to address range anxiety, the fear of running out of charge while on the road. Governments, utility companies, and private businesses have invested heavily in building an extensive network of charging stations, particularly in urban centers, highways, and remote areas. Fast charging technologies are also emerging, significantly reducing charging times and making long-distance travel more feasible for EV owners. The growth in charging infrastructure, combined with innovations in smart charging networks, is helping to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles and support the transition to a cleaner, more sustainable transportation system.